Let me walk you through the different ways you can ping and notify people in your channels. We'll cover mentions for individuals, entire teams, and specific channels. To get everyone's attention in a channel, type your message and include the @general mention. When you hit send, every member will receive a notification about your post. Want to draw someone's attention to a particular message? Simply mention them directly using the @ symbol followed by their name, and they'll be flagged that this is important for them to see. Here's another option. By typing @team-channel, you'll ping every single person who's part of that team, making sure your message reaches the whole group at once. And finally, you can target just one specific channel by using @channel-name. This notifies only the members of that particular channel, keeping your message focused where it needs to be. Great work! You now know all the different ways to mention and notify people in your channels. Feel free to run through this again anytime.